How to replace the filters. Close the inlet and outlet valves on both sides of the system, then open the bypass valve. Press the pressure relief valve to release any trapped air and relieve pressure. Use the provided wrench to loosen the filter housing. Carefully unscrew the housing by hand while supporting it from the bottom. This prevents it from dropping and spilling water. Remove the old filter cartridge and thoroughly clean the inside of the housing to remove any residual impurities. Insert your new cartridge. Inspect the O-ring to ensure it is seated correctly for a watertight seal. Push the housing straight up into the cap, then gently thread it in by hand to avoid cross-threading. Hand tighten the filter housing first, then secure it firmly with the wrench. Testing and flushing. Close the bypass valve. Slowly open the inlet ball valves on both sides to about a 45-degree angle to let water enter the system gradually. Press and hold the pressure relief valve on top until all trapped air is released and water begins to flow out. Fully open the main inlet and outlet valves. Flush the system for 10 minutes. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy clean water.